The last generation of the Hyundai Sonata is like a freedom fighter for the Hyundai brand in Nigeria and all over the world. It showed people that a car can be extremely stylish and still reliable at the same time. So Hyundai thought that let us make the next generation more refined. Let's give them what they were not expecting. Today I have a 2015 Hyundai Sonata. This is the next generation after this one I just talked about. And this car looks premium. I'm going to tell you why this is one of the mid-size sedans you should consider if you're shopping for a car within the 15 million naira mark. Because this car you see has a premium feel to it, and I'll show you everything: the pros, the cons, the bad, the good, what it feels like to maintain it, what can go wrong, what might go wrong, just everything you need to know about the Hyundai Sonata 2015 model. My name is Crank and this is 234 Drive. Let's get into it. So in 2015, Hyundai had to find a way to make its new mid-size sedan, the Sonata, stand out again. You know, before they had shown everybody that we can make a mad design. That was this one. When this car came out, every other person said, if you notice, after this Sonata came out, the Camry after that had the shape to it. Honda Accord too had the shape to it. Even the Ford Fusion now had one crazy shape to it. They're like, so cars that are affordable can also look mad. So Hyundai had to find a way to make this one still look mad. So they decided to what? Make it feel premium. Look at the headlights. This LED headlight just makes it feel premium. And this headlight has a feature that is the automatic high beam. So when a car is coming towards you in the night, even though the full light is on, it automatically adjusts itself and dim. When that car passes, it goes back up. That's something you find only on premium cars. Also, you can see the chrome accents on the grille. Because this is the sport edition, it has this black thing, but then you can still see the chrome. You can also see chrome on the door handles. So they use chrome to like accentuate this car. You can also see this chrome that runs all the way to the back. So this chrome just shows how expensive this car is, like makes it feel premium. You can also see chrome here on this side skirt. At the rear, you can also see premium styling for the LED tail lights. So when you look at this car, it looks big. Like it doesn't look like a mid-size sedan, but it's actually a mid-size sedan. It's just on the big side. Like the Avalon that they say is a mid-size sedan, but it's actually a full-size sedan. But this one is actually just big. It's not like it is not mid. It is mid, but appears big, appears premium. You can also see chrome finish here. So that's what makes this car feel premium on the outside. You also have enough trunk space. Like it's big. It's like really, really big. It is really, really big. Can fit anything you need to put inside. This is a very big trunk space. This is not even the regular trunk space you get in mid-size cars. So it's like that Honda Accord bad boy. Same. Big space. I like that. Now, the interior is where Hyundai really put in the work. The work they put in this interior is crazy. Like, they made sure that interior was not like the other Hyundai cars. Because before, people say, that Hyundai is fine, but that interior looks like a toy. It looks playful. It's too playful. I don't like it. But this one, they switched it up. Come and have a look Come and have a look. See. First off, the steering feels grippier. Like, see, you can grip here. Now, because this is the sport edition, you have a mix of leather and fabric on the seats, but it grips me well. This center console now feels premium. Everything is horizontal. I don't like the fact that this is an old infotainment type system. So if you buy the limited, you get bigger screen that comes with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. But that aside, the car is now well laid out on the dashboard. Now let's see all the features that this car has. For a 15 million naira Tokunbo car or 16 million naira Tokunbo car, this car is packed. We have heated steering. We have heated seats. And we even have heated seats at the back. That's crazy. We have voice recognition. There's voice recognition. There's a parking assist. You have different drive modes. You have sports. You have eco. And you have normal. And once you start up this car, the car scans itself and tells you what is wrong with the car at any point in time. You also have this safe here. Very, very big. You can keep stuff here. The pigeonhole is just there. Then you can see the finish here because this is the sports trim. Like I said, if it was the limited, this would be wood. And here too, you have a nice storage area. You also have cruise control and you have BSM here. See, the BSM works. So blind spot monitoring, if anybody's trying to bash you left or right, it tells you. And you also have a sunroof, not just a normal sunroof. Not just a normal sunroof. This is a panoramic sunroof. Opens like. These are luxury. This is what you get in the Benz E-Class. And the plastic in this car is not obvious that they use plastic. This is plastic because they need to make it affordable, but it is not obvious that they use plastic. So this interior is really, really nice. Let's check out the back seat and see if it is as comfortable as it's meant to be. Before we go into the back seat, I need to mention that there are different trims for this car. About 6 trims, but it depends on the type of engine. I'll still tell you about the engine. But the 3 trims you get to be the Limited, the Sports, and the Eco. Eco is the smallest one, then Limited is divided between the engines. Sports is also divided between the engines, but we'll get to that later. I just needed you to know. Because if this was the Limited, it will have a sun protector here. But this is the Sports. It's a sports car, so you don't really need all of that stuff. It's quite comfortable. It's quite comfortable. It's big. It's spacious. I can see rear cooling here. So this can comfortable seat 3 people conveniently, and everybody's good. Let's check out the engine that drives this car and the engine that are available on this car. Thankfully we have the best engine you can get on this car for this car. On this particular one, I'm so happy. So there are 3 engines. There's the 1.8 liter turbo, there's the 2 liter turbo, and there's the 2.4 liter GDI engine, low turbo. So the most reliable is the 2.4 liter, and this is it. That's the most reliable you can get on this car. The 2 liter turbo is faster, the fastest, but when it gets up to higher mileages, bad fuel and just turbo technology in general has not been perfected by all these brands. So you might experience some complications. Then the 1.8 liter turbo, the same. That one is the weakest engine for the Hyundai Sonata. So the 2 liter turbo and the 2.4 liter 4-cylinder inline is paired to a 6-speed automatic transmission, while that 1.8 turbo is paired to a 7-speed DCT. I don't know why you only put a DCT on the smaller engine. It doesn't let you feel more power, like you add more power. But I get it. So let's drive this car and see how it drives. And I'll come back and I'll tell you some issues you might run into with this car. So let's take a drive. Let's drive. But before we drive, I need you to do 3 things for me. 3 things. Like this video. Share this video with somebody that you think might need it. Some people are just there looking for videos to help them, guide them on cars to buy. Share them this video. And the third thing is drop a comment. What do you think about this car? If you have experience with this car, let us know in the comments. What do you think about the generation of the Hyundai Sonata? So do those 3 things for me, and let's go on this drive. If you don't do it, don't follow me on this drive. Don't follow me. So let's drive. The car feels solid, like you know me now. That's my favorite thing about driving cars. I like cars that feel solid in my hand. I know that yes, I'm driving something. Steering is heavy. So this 2.4 liter engine is not punchy. It's not punchy, but there's power, but it's not punchy. It's about 261 horsepower thereabouts, but it's not punchy. Like doesn't no. You just get up to it slowly, and it moves well. The car is smooth. It drives balanced. Drives balanced. I like a balanced drive. And in visibility, very clear. I can see really well. This is a nice car to have, guys. It's a nice car to have. And around this small bend, I can feel small body roll. So I wonder how it will be on like high speed. So I can feel body roll already. So when you have this car, this is not a car used for this. No. Just responsible driving, comfort driving, sweet daily driving, guys. Sweet daily driving. So I'm going to turn around here. Look at the car. Look at a twin. Our twin. This is a twin. We're twinning. Hi, twin. You didn't even look at me, man. Nigerians, I feel like sometimes Nigerians don't even know what they are driving. Because if it was me and I was driving the same time with your car, I would look at you and say, "What's up, buddy?" Oba no send me. But yeah, this car drives smooth. So if you want the fast one, I told you that the 2.0 turbo, they have issues at higher mileages. But if you still want to, then you can go for that one. But if you also want peace of mind, you want to enjoy what Hyundai has done with their brand and this car by giving us a well-equipped interior and a mature premium exterior appearance. you don't want any problem to come with that, you don't want any side effect of following Hyundai, then buy this particular car. And you have zero cause for regrets. Zero. Let me say almost zero. Almost zero. So yeah, let's talk about the problems you face if you own this car. The first problem is that this airbag, same thing with Honda Takata Record that time. This airbag, this steering airbag, there's a seal inside that might loose, and the airbag will just pop out in your face. But because you are buying tokes, it was recalled, so they might have fixed it before it came here. You can try and search on Hyundai's platform if the particular one you are buying with the VIN has been recalled. Second problem is also from the steering. There's something called a warm gear. A warm gear that once you turn your steering, it allows the tire to turn. So that warm gear might get worn out. And when you're turning, you'll be hearing this one is good. When you're turning, you hear like clunking sound when you're turning, so your warm gear might be bad. Third problem is under the engine, the sound I told you about. So let's check it out. Come. You come, I can hear the sound. Come. You can hear the sound. So that's the timing chain tensioner. It is bad and it's just making that clunking sound. So once it changes it, it's good to go. And yeah, the last one is bad roads. Obviously, bad roads, knuckle, ball joints, linking, those things will go bad. You have to change it on this car. Aside that, this is a very, very reliable car. But if you buy the turbo, then you'll be facing a whole lot of other issues with the turbocharged engine. Maybe piston slap, or like the cylinder might just the engine might just fail. Timing chain might just cut because that turbo engine is not as strong as this one. And because lastly, because this is a GDI engine, gasoline direct injection, meaning every 30,000 miles, it is advisable to do what they call carbon cleaning. Because GDI means that the fuel is entering the engine directly. So you need to do carbon cleaning to remove the carbon deposits on your engine, to reduce the dirt, and so that the engine is clean and efficient at all times. That aside, this is the car for you. This is the car for you. I told you the price range between 15 to like 19 million naira, depending on how equipped it is. And Nigerian use will range between 10 or like 14. So remember, my name is Crank. If you're trying to buy this car, any other car, you need advice on what to do, just send us an email, cars@234drive.com, and we will be more than happy to point you in the right direction. Let me know in the comment section, what do you think about this car? Once again, like, share, subscribe, and just follow us on all social media platforms: Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, TikTok. We are everywhere at 234drive. And my name is Crank. My Instagram is @crank of 234. You can follow me too. Join us next time as we bring you another car, another day.